According to the CDC, only 1 in 10 Americans meet the recommended daily amounts for fruits and vegetables. I am not one of those 10.
Here with an easy spin on eating your veggies is registered dietitian and nutritionist Carissa Beelard. We love when you're here. Welcome back.
So we're being a little dietitian serious today, but we're talking about eating your veggies because that's really important to kind of maintaining a healthy overall diet. And most of us fall short, and I think that's because of convenience and maybe because of time. So I've brought today something that I absolutely adore, Brussels sprouts.
I'm all in.
So these are my friends Ocean Mist Farms, and Brussels sprouts are part of the cabbage family. They have a very mild flavor, and they have some good nutrition benefits that if you're not eating them, maybe I can kind of give you the reason to try. So they've got, yes, I am looking. So they've got protein, they've got potassium, they've got iron. A lot of us don't get enough iron. Yeah, they have a complete protein. Also, though, they have organosulfur compounds, and these are being studied for anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer benefits. Okay. So Brussels sprouts are really high up there on foods that you do want to be including in your diet for nutrition benefits. I love the taste, so I'm going to look at her.
I know.
Because I know you're a fan, too.
I don't know. When I was a kid, I just felt like our parents and grandparents just boiled them and gave, you know.
They did.
Okay, so this is a new thing, because I feel like you see them on menus now, too, where it's a trendy food
They are really trendy, and so Ocean Mist Farms is actually the leading and fastest growing brand in pre-cut and bulk Brussels sprouts, and they have something that's season and steam. It's revolutionary. It has actually won awards, so you guys are both going to partake in this. So when you get this back, when you get it home, you just open it, and then you put the seasoning in the bag. So you're going to do a little soy with red pepper flakes, and you've got garlic lemon, so you can really match your flavors to whatever you're eating. So this would go with sort of a stir fry.
You just put it right in the bag.
Right in the bag before you cook it. So you've got some garlic.
How much garlic do you think?
How much garlic do you like?
I mean,
you know, garlic again is a good
it's a
benefit for you. So you're going to put the soy sauce in. Once you've seasoned it, you're going to zip it up, microwave it for 5 minutes. Then you have seasoned Brussels sprouts that are ready to eat faster than your protein. Didn't take any extra time.
This is handy.
So this is sort of the finished product of what you're doing with a little soy. I do have some red pepper flakes because I like that little bit of spice. You could use sesame seeds. You could use maple for the fall. You could use cinnamon, but there's a lot of great flavors you could do. And that's it. This is also something your kids could probably do. Bring your kids in and let them do it, but season and steam, put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then this is what you get. Was that fun?
This is awesome.
So do you guys know where Brussels sprouts got their name?
No.
Some Brussels somewhere just wanted to have his own
Germany.
Belgium, they were cultivated in the 16th century in the Belgian capital, Brussels. So Ocean Mist Farms, though, has taken them and made them a lot easier. I put them in a pasta salad as well. So if you're someone who's just starting, you're like just starting your Brussels sprout journey, I did the steam bag for 5 minutes.
That's a
We're going to check in with Natalie's Brussels sprout journey. But I put them in a pasta salad, so that's the way to take something familiar and add them in. And then what I also did was I roasted them. That brings out a totally different flavor. So if you have kids that are still learning with their taste and trying new vegetables, give them different flavors and ways of preparation, and hopefully they will kind of find their way.
So what does the nutritionist say about, we make ours, we roast them like this, and I get them like this in the bag, but then just take them out and cut them with bacon and onion.
You're eating your vegetables, so I'm going to say vegetables are better than a little bit of bacon you're adding in. And I also want to make sure you guys are getting new recipes. So if you go to Ocean Mist Farms website from now until November 30th, they've got some original downloadable content that's going to help with recipe development, lots of coupons. They are actually, not only do they make Brussels sprouts, but from Castroville, California, so where they are, they're the U.S.'s leading grower of fresh artichokes, which are another great for you vegetable. So they've got a wide variety of products, so you're going to be able to find coupons for all of that. And then starting today, on the Ibotta app, more coupons for the season and steam, the Brussels sprouts, and the fresh artichokes.
I'm all over it.
And you've got the Ibotta app. We're going to get you on the app. On your Brussels sprouts journey. But it's just a way, really do think about your dinners. This is a quick 5-minute way that you can get vegetables for your family to enjoy, and that's going to boost your health, and you're going to feel good about that, giving that to your family, even with a little bit of bacon in your Brussels.
I think that more companies, I mean, seriously, Ocean Mist, let's do more of these vegetables, because I love how handy it is. Because my thing is I don't cook either, so the idea of having vegetables and the whole concept of cooking, it just never happens, and they end up going bad. So I love that they're making it easy and attainable for non-chefs to still get your vegetables.
And it's so important for us to have our vegetables, and kids, if they eat it young, they're going to grow up with these great flavor profiles and getting those nutrition benefits of it. And so Ocean Mist Farms is a great place for all those sort of resources and recipes and even coupons.
I love it. I'm going to go microwave this now,
we can go microwave now. We'll be eating later on.
My lunch today. I seriously could eat this whole bag. It'd be just fine for my lunch. All right, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
We'll make sure to put all that info on our website as well.